Imagine telling the whole country your family's billions are totally clean. Tapos may grupo agad na tumayo at nagsabi, absolutely fake news. What exactly does Atom know that Marcos thinks you've already forgotten? The August 21 movement. Atom publicly slammed President Marcos Jr. after he claimed his family's wealth was not ill-gotten. Direkta ang salita nila, untrue. Hindi lang disputed, fake news daw mismo. Ngayon, Atom isn't just some random group throwing shade. They've been tracking Marcos family history for decades and they're saying the claim has zero proof behind it. Walang ebidensya na sinuportahan ang sinabi ni Marcos. At iyon mismo ang problema. The president made a major historical claim about his family and according to Atom, he offered nothing to back it up. Pag sinabi mong malinis ang pera mo, dapat may katibayan. Kung gusto mo malaman kung anong klase ng katibayan ang hinihingi nila, nandito kami araw-araw. Mag-subscribe ka na. Absolutely fake news. At hanggang ngayon, wala pa ring proof na nagpapatunay na malinis.